Good morning, my dear student. Welcome you in online class of Bal Sadhana Group of Institution. Myself, Parveen Chaudhary, TGT Social Science in Bal Sadhana Public School. Yesterday, we discussed about the Chol dynasty, and in Chol dynasty, we study about Chola administrations, Chola art and architectures, and about the Chola society. Now, so in Chola dynasty, the Chola we study, the Chola dynasty was one of three famous of the ancient dynasty of South India. Along with Chola dynasty, two were Cher and Pandyas. And Chola dynasty founded by Chola king Karikala, and he fought with the Singla rulers, and after Karikala his son Aprajit became the ruler, and after Aditya, not Aprajit, Aditya become the ruler, and after his son Vijayalaya, and last Chol king was Rajendra Kulatung. The most important ruler in Chol dynasty was Rajraj first, Rajendra first, and Veera Rajendra, and last Chol ruler was Rajendra Kolotung, and he ruled from 1070 to 1122 AD. And this Chola dynasty rule approximately 200 years. And in the Chola administration, we see the Chola administration was based on the Gram Panchayat system, and the Chola kingdom was divided into 6 princes, and these princes called as Mandalam, and after that Mandalam was subdivided into Kotam, then Kotam was subdivided into Nadu and Kuram and Grams, and Nadu, the assembly of Nadu is called Nattar, and category of towns are called Nagartar, and so an election was held after every year. So in this Chola administration, we see that Chola administration is best example of a rural administration, and they work on local level. Same as Chola art. In Chola art, we see the temple of the temple of Brideshwar made by Rajaraj first. It is a beautiful example of Dravidian style of architecture. Same Nataraj statue, and Gopuram Mandap, Vridsadan, pillar, basket, canal system. These all the things we study in Chola art and architecture. And in society, the Chola kings were Hindus, and the slave and Devdasi system were also on trade, and they performed Ashwamedh Yag. The women were the owner of the property after death of his husband. So next dynasty is Pallav dynasty. So let's start our new dynasty, Pallav dynasty. Pallav dynasty rule in the area of Tamil Nadu. Pallav dynasty rule in the Tamil Nadu area. Most of reason अर्कोट, चेन्नई, तिरुचिरापल्ली and Tanjore. On these area, Pallav dynasty rule. First, as per inscriptions, the first Pallav king was Vishnu Gopa. As per Kanchi inscriptions, the first ruler of Pallav dynasty was Vishnu Gopa. But the real founder of Pallav dynasty was Sim Vishnu. Sim Vishnu was the actual real founder of Pallav dynasty. Sim Vishnu sat on throne in the beginning of 6th century. After that after Sim Vishnu, the Pallav ruled for next 2 centuries. Some of the important Pallav rulers were Mahendravarman, Narasimhavarman first, Mahendravarman second, Parameswaravarman first, Narasimhavarman second, Parameswaravarman second, Nandivarman first, Nandivarman second, and last Pal ruler was Aprajit. In Chol dynasty, we see Chol king Vijayalaya defeated the Pallav king Aprajit. Means Chol king Vijayalaya defeated Pallav king Aprajit. The ruler of this dynasty ruled on Arcot, Chennai, Tiruchirappalli and Tanjore. As per inscription of Pallav, the first Pallav king was Vishnu Gopa, and after that Vishnu Gopa, Sim Vishnu became the ruler in 575 to 600 AD. He ruled about 25 years. And Sim Vishnu defeated Ishwakus and laid the foundation of Pallav Empire in the beginning of 6th century. And its capital of Pallav rulers was Kanchi. Capital of Pallav rulers was Kanchi. And Sim Vishnu defeated Chol, Chera and Pandya's rulers. And Sim Vishnu adopted a title named Avni Simha. Avni Simha mean line of the earth. So we study about all the ruler one by one. First Mahendravarman. First, the Mahendravarman conflict between Chalukya and at the time of Mahendravarman became the ruler from 600 AD to 625 AD. At the time of Mahendravarman, the conflict between the conflict start between the Chalukya and Pallav, and he was defeated by Chalukya king Pulikeshin II in 610. Means Mahendra Varman defeated by Pulikesh Chalukya ruler Pulikeshin II in 610 AD. And Mahendra Varman was a great patron of sculptures, and he wrote a play named Mat Mata Vilas. Mata Vilas Prahasana. Mat Vilas Prahasana. And he was a great architect and built many temples of carved stone. He also made a pond or lake named Mahendra Lake. Mahendra Lake. Mahendra Varman was a great patron of sculptures, and during his time he built many temples of covered stones, and he also built a pond named Mahendra Lake, and he wrote a book named Matavilas Prahasna. After that, Mahendra Varman next powerful king was Narsimha Varman first, and he was known as Mahamal. He known as Mahamalla. Narsimha Varman first. Narsim Varman, also known as Mahamalla. He was most powerful king of Pallav dynasty, and he also known as Mahamalla. Mahamalla means the great wrestler. Mahamal means great wrestler, and he took the revenge of his father defeated by Pulikeshin II. Narsimha Varman revenged the defeated of his father to Pulikeshin II. But most of thing, Narsimha Varman defeated Pulikeshin II 3 times. Pulikeshin II was defeated by Narsimha Varman. How many times? 3 times, and captured Chalukya capital Badami. In 642 AD. And Narsimha Varman also known as Vatapi Konda. The name of Badami, also called as Vatapi. So Narsimha Varman conquered Badami in 642 AD and adopted the title of Vatapi Konda. And he settled a city named Mahabalipuram. See, Mahabalipuram, most important, a famous city of Tamil Nadu. Next ruler of Pallav dynasty was Mahendra Varman II. Mahendra Varman II. Mahendra Varman II killed by Mahendra Varman II killed by Chalukya king Vikramaditya. I repeat one sentence. You concentrate on your mind. First, Mahendra Varman was defeated by Pulikeshin III in 610 AD. After Mahendra Varman, his son Narsim Varman got the revenge of his father, and he defeated Pulikeshin II 3 times. After that, Narsim Varman, his son Mahendra Varman became the ruler of Pallav dynasty. Mahendra Varman II, and Mahendra Varman killed and defeated by the son of Pulikeshin III, second Vikramaditya. Vikramaditya was the son of Pulikeshin II. Means Narsimhavarman got revenge of his father from Pulikeshin II, and the son of Pulikeshin, Vikramaditya, got revenge his father to Mahendra Varman. These are some important ruler of Pallav dynasty. Now next point going on art and architecture of Pallav dynasty. Pallav king established a town named Mahabalipuram. Pallav king established a town named Mahabalipuram and built here 5 chariot. Most important question, 5 chariot temple and rock cut statue Temple were also made in Kanchi जो also present in Tamil Nadu, and Pallav ruler were worshipper of Lord Vishnu and Shiva. Let's see overview about Pallav dynasty. Chalukya of Vatapi and Pallav of Kanchi. First Pallav ruler was Sim Vishnu, but in the inscription of Kanchi, first founder of Pallav dynasty was Vishnu Gopa. Second Sim Vishnu. After Sim Vishnu, Mahendra Varman first. After Mahendra Varman, Narsimha Varman first. After Narsimha Varman, Mahendra Varman second. After Parmeshwar Varman first, Narsimha Varman second, Parmeshwar Varman second, Nandi Varman first, Nandi Varman second, and last ruler of Pallav dynasty was Aprazit. Pulikeshin, we discussed Pulikeshin second defeated Mahendra Varman. After that, Narsimha Varman became the ruler and he defeated Pulikeshin III. How many times? 3 times, and adopted a title of Vatapi Konda. After that, Pulikeshin II, his son Vikramaditya first became the ruler, and in the Pallav dynasty, Mahendra Varman II became the ruler. Vikramaditya defeated Mahendra Varman and killed the Mahendra Varman II, and get revenge of his father Pulikeshin II. So the ruler of this dynasty ruled in the region of Arcot, Chennai, Tiruchirappalli and Tanjore. As per the inscription, the first Pallav king was Vishnu Gopa of Kanchi. Sim Vishnu ruled from 575 to 600 AD. Sim Vishnu defeated Ikshvakus and laid the foundation of Pallav Empire in the beginning of 6th century. The capital of Pallavas, Kanchi, and Sim Vishnu also defeated Chol king, Chair king, and Pandya's king, and the adopted title of Avni Simha. Avni Simha means loin of the earth. After Sim Vishnu, his son Mahendravarman first became the ruler Pallav rulers, and he ruled from 600 to 625 AD. At the time of Mahendravarman first, conflict start between Chalukya and Pallav began. He was defeated by Chalukya king Pulikeshin II in 610 AD, and he wrote a play Matavilas Prasasna, and he was a great architect and built many temples of stone. Covered stone. He also built a lake named Mahendra Pond. After Mahendravarman first, Narasimhavarman became the ruler, and the time period of Narasimhavarman first 630 AD to 668 AD. Most powerful king of Pallav dynasty. Narasimhavarman first became the most powerful king of Pallav dynasty, and also known as Mahamal. Narasimhavarman also known as Mahamal. Mahamal means the great wrestler. He took the revenge of his father defeated. Narasimhavarman took the revenge of his father defeat from to Pulikeshin II. He defeated Chalukya king Pulikeshin II 3 times and captured Badami, capital of Chalukyas, in 642 AD. He also known as Vatapi Konda, conqueror of Vatapi. Vatapi, the second name of Badami, and he established a city named Mahabalipuram. After Mahendravarman II became the ruler, and he ruled 668 AD to 670 AD, and he killed by Chalukya king Vikramaditya. Vikramaditya was the son of Pulikeshin II. Now, art and architectures. Pallav king established a town named Mahabalipuram and built here 5 chariot temple and rock cut statues. Temples were made in Kanchi by Pallav kings. Pallav rulers were worshippers of Lord Vishnu and Shiva. So this is our Pallav dynasty. After Pallav dynasty, we study about Chalukya dynasty. This topic we discuss in next video. Thanks and have a nice day.